What's up, everybody? It is Sunday morning, and yeah, so I'm up, ready. Went to bed late last night. Good morning, guys. Oh, don't watch the hair. I just tried to cut my hair last night. Yes. Oh, it has grown, and it needs to get washed. So my hair has grown and everything. So which is nice. I'm happy, but I'll probably keep it out, my natural hair out for a week. Just this week of school because I gotta do some protective styles. It's the winter here, so and this time of year my hair gets so dry, so I gotta make sure that it's continuously moisturized. So I usually would either wear braids or put on weaves or even do a wig to make sure that my hair is keeping. My hubby's last day, he leaves tonight, so yeah, we're just gonna cook up something nice for dinner and just pretty much hang out. I don't know how long the vlog will be today because I just wanna spend some time with him before he goes. So yeah, we will see what the day has to offer. We got a lot of cooking to do. I'm gonna do a little bit, make a few things. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So I just finished prepping some stuff for dinner already. I'll just show you. Peas boiling over there. I got my water set. I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. I got beef that I'm gonna make, probably some curry beef. I have my sweet potatoes. I have yam, and I have dasheen cut up there in the water, in cold water, so then it doesn't change color. And I have my chicken soaking in vinegar and water and a little bit of lime. I drink my tea for the morning. My daughter's cutting up some potatoes because I'm gonna also make some mashed potatoes as well. So yeah, I'm kind of cooking a little bit of a go away food for my hubby. So it's a little goodbye cookings. So oh, the yam caught my leg. It's so itchy. So between that, our house is clean, laundry is done. Today's wash day for my daughter's hair, so I gotta wash her hair, and I'm probably gonna do a protein treatment for her hair. It's been a while since she's had one, and with the time getting so dry up here, I definitely have to do it. Yeah, so yeah, just gonna have a relaxing Sunday. Just relax as a family, watch some movies, and just cook some food and just enjoy each other company because my babe, so what time he's leaving, about what time is he leaving tonight? About, I think, 7:30 he will be gone. So yeah, we're gonna try and see if I could get the vlog up before 9 o'clock tonight, so you guys will be able to have that. And yeah, so I'm just here for now. I'll get back to you guys when I'm doing some stuff. I'm just gonna go do some. So I am back in the kitchen cooking. I'm just cutting up some potato to go along with my meat. Yeah, I'm cooking curry beef. So my beef curried. I'm just gonna put it in the pot because the pot is ready. I already started making my mashed potatoes. So I'm juggling between doing this and studying. So I got my vegetables all cut up. I got my meat seasoned there. I'm about to mash my potatoes. I got my curry beef cooking, my rice and peas over there, but I haven't put in the coconut yet or my mashed potatoes because I find it tastes much creamier and much better. And butter and milk, and sometimes I have a little extra stuff that I put in it that makes it give that nice whipped creaming. So I'm getting my flour ready, got my water set, so I'm just gonna mix it now. My flour is done kneading and my pot's boiling, so I'm going to take my thing. I'm gonna put flours in. I'm gonna put the flour in first, and I'm gonna put those in after. My dumpling, my sweet potato, my yam, and the sheen cooking there, and the rice is in the pot. So, and I'm still cooking down the beef because the beef is taking forever to cook. The beef is taking forever to cook, so I'm still cooking that down. and time to go get some work done. While that is simmering, the only thing left is just gotta cook the chicken when I'm finished. When I have some room to cook the chicken, and the liver I have left to cook, and then I am finished cooking. So yeah, I'll be back. Hi babes, you leaving me? Oh no, your back burst. Oh my goodness, give me that. Too much heavy stuff. Hey baby's leaving me. He's going. Oh no. You say bye. Bye. I don't miss you. Be safe. Safe journey. Bye, honey. Bye. My baby just left. He's gone. Lord. I don't know. So I'm just going. We didn't even fully. Well, we got to eat together, and then he's off. So I won't be seeing him for a while. So but that's okay. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But guys, me and the kids are probably just gonna hang out for a little bit, maybe watch a movie, and I'm gonna finish my studying, and basically I'm calling it a night. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas day number 10 already. Wow. 15 more, tomorrow will be what, 15 more days? Till Christmas, guys. 15 more days. I know, I'm counting down. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. I love Christmas. Oh, and don't wash the hair. I gotta go shower, and I gotta go actually do my hair. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 8. It's not what you expect me to say. Got some rest. A little bit better, but still tough. But I'ma go ahead and say it anyway. Still tired. It could be a lot better. Yeah. That's okay. For today, I don't know what we are up to for today.